Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
A lot of tightness in my shoulder.
Okay.
And caused me to tear, or moderate tear my UCL for throwing.
So how long your shoulder tightness going on?
Like 4 years.
Okay, so how did you injure your shoulder?
I think it was just bad stretching.
Okay.
And it was just built up over time. I got these knots in my shoulders now. So.
Have you had any treatment for the last 3 years for your shoulder or elbow?
I've done a little bit of physical therapy, and that's helped a lot with the looseness, but the pain's still always there.
So how we aggravate your shoulder pain, and how much pain from 0 to 10?
When I throw, probably like 5, 6.
Okay.
And then just by throwing. 5, yeah, and like a 5, 6 pain.
So, but to like daily activity, it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. When I weight lift, it's a little tight, but that's pretty much it.
Yeah, definitely can see that it's kind of unstable a little bit. Is that painful?
No, not really.
Okay. And you let me know how much pain and where did you feel it?
There's no pain.
Or tightness?
Everything's fine going up, but I feel like once I release it, that's when everything's like kind of like that's why my shoulder moves the most.
Oh, you feel like unstable when you release it?
Yes.
And is that the uncomfortable feeling?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's when all the pain kicks into.
After the release.
Yes.
Okay. So you have co-contraction issues in your shoulder. And how much pain when you release it?
Like a 2 to 3.
Okay. Right. I'm gonna do 10 and we'll see, because I want to aggravate your symptom to see, and we'll try it again after the treatment. And you feel it all in the back, yeah?
Yes.
Are you counting?
Yes.
If you're not counting, we're gonna do 200, okay? How much is now?
10.
No, how much discomfort?
Pain? Like a 2. I feel a little popping too.
Okay.
Right around here.
It was for a long time, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So you injured your elbow too when you were playing?
No, I was just playing catch, and I was coming back in from long toss. And I felt a little pop. I'm like, oh, that was a little weird. But there was only like little, very, very like slight pain, so I didn't think anything of it. And then the next day, I can straighten out my elbow.
That's how long that was ago? Like how long?
How long? Probably a month.
A month ago.
Month and a half.
Range of motion for turning your head.
Just around.
That's limited actually. Back. Forward. So you feel it more turning this way?
I feel a little tightness turning this way, yeah.
Just remember how far you can look this way. Okay. So you feel it right on the trap, yeah?
Yeah, right here.
Probably
like a month.
A month. Turn it and tell me how that feels.
A lot better.
Yeah. Okay. Is it back to normal?
Yeah, it's back to normal.
Back to normal?
Yeah.
But this scar tissue is the thickness of his trap. Like, I can feel it here superficially. That's mean it's the thickness of the length of the muscle here. And I will show it to you with the scar tissue tool. You will see redness and you're gonna feel it actually. And this is the one that you had like several years and have hard time to break it, yeah?
Yes.
Bro, you can feel it?
Yeah, so basically you're gonna feel like, if it's normal, you will feel nice and smooth. If you have a scar tissue, it's like you feel you're going over a rock. Or a bump. And sometimes like you feel like you're going over a washboard, like grinding. And you will see with the tool vibrating more, and it's just going over a hump.
With that tool, can you rub it out?
Yeah, we can break it. So how long it's gonna take? It depends on the patient. Some patient like it could take them one treatment and actually we dissolve it. It depends on how fast the person internal healing cycle. If their body is slow, that may take time. And also the size of the scar tissue. So if you have something like a tennis ball here, that's gonna take us a little bit time. Or
It's gone.
how much pain in your neck when you were turning
There was a lot. I couldn't even turn my neck this far.
Okay. How much in neck pain before we started? I should have asked you this.
Probably like 3 or 4.
Okay, but now it's fine.
That's fine now.
Okay.
I could just still feel tightness
Of that big scar tissue.
Yeah.
You're gonna continue feel it because we did not totally get rid of it. It's gonna be the end range of motion. So let's do some throwing.
Wow.
What?
It's less. It's not coming out as much.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's nice. It's the big knot in the strap.
That was causing that whole popping.
It's a lot better. It's a lot better.
Let's do 10, okay? Because we did 10 before. So if he's stuck in the proliferation stage, it's just gonna take us the time to break this big knot, and hopefully the goal is to make it not popping at all, because that's a risk of injury.
Okay.
That popping is compensation. His muscle is not totally stretching to do the range of motion. It goes over his bone to compensate. So we don't want that. So the goal is to hopefully get you. Did you do 10?
Yeah.
Any pain, discomfort?
It's a lot. No pain.
Okay, so you had physical therapy before. Can you tell the difference between ASTR and the physical therapy you had?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What's the difference?
A lot faster.
Mm-hmm.
A lot looser.
Mm-hmm. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to astarinstitute.com.